Before the world knew his name, he healed, restored, and revealed the heart of God. These are 6 miracles, recorded in Scripture, now brought to life through film's earliest lens. Jesus went throughout Galilee, teaching in their synagogues, proclaiming the good news of the kingdom, and healing every disease and sickness among the people. On the 3rd day, a wedding took place at Cana in Galilee. Jesus' mother was there. Jesus said to the servants, "Fill the jars with water," so they filled them to the brim. A man with leprosy came to him and begged him on his knees, "If you are willing, you can make me clean." Since they could not get him to Jesus because of the crowd, they made an opening in the roof. I tell you, get up, take your mat, and go home. As he approached the town gate, a dead person was being carried out, the only son of his mother. Then he went up and touched the bier they were carrying him on, and the bearers stood still. He said, "Young man, I say to you, get up." A woman in that town who lived a sinful life learned that Jesus was eating at the Pharisee's house. Therefore, I tell you, her many sins have been forgiven, as her great love has shown. These moments echo through time, not just acts of power, but signs of grace, and they remind us still, He came to heal the broken.